Hey guys, so you've now finished rates and ratios and we're now going on to some revision time. So I want to show you what you have available to help you through this. So first of all, if you go to my text, okay, as we know, we're on section 6. Now, so far we have done I can't write on it. Okay, we've done our diagnostic pretest. There's no reason why you can't go back into the diagnostic pretest to see how much you've improved with your studies. Okay, now our test will be on 6A, so introducing ratios, 6B, simplifying ratios, 6C, dividing a quantity by a given ratio, 6E, introducing rates, and 6F, which is solving rate problems. Now we have also looked at scale drawings and speed, and this is because these areas will give us a way that we apply our knowledge to deepen our skills as such. Now, there are many things you can do to revise. Okay, first up, these sections on your chapter summary. This gives you this really great infographic about what you've learned in this unit, okay? And this is fantastic because it gives you the key points of things that you need to know. So these are really good points to maybe be putting into your knowledge book, okay? Because they are just the facts of what you've learned from the unit. So that's a really good page and something that you should be checking at the end of each unit. Okay, next up, we have got, go again to the back of your book. All right, we've got a chapter checklist. Now, just remembering that we're not assessing everything in this chapter. However, can you do these things? All right, can you simplify ratios, including fractions? Okay, so this is a really good point to get to check the things that you can do. All you need to remember as you look down the side here is we've not necessarily had to look at all the units. Now, if you can do some of these things, like if you look at 6D and say, yeah, I can do that, I can do that, I can do that, that's great because that just means you've done some of that extension stuff. And the same with 6G. Okay, my latest video was on 6G. Okay, so that's a chapter checklist. Now, if you want to have a bit of a practice, okay, there's review questions. Review questions are great just to see where you're at in a chapter. Alrighty, just let that load. Okay, and there's some different review questions that you can work on there. All right, and then you can check them yourself as well. If you also have a look back at your directed tasks, okay, so the other resources you've got, you can go into tasks and, sorry, not into tasks, you can go into tests and you should have some revision tests that you can work on. So you should have rates and ratios as well as that earlier one, rates and ratios as well. So you've got quiz 1 and quiz 2 that you can be working on. And you also have those directed tasks set up that we looked at that you've been working through as we've been going on. Okay, so you can go into the rates and ratios. You've also got the latest rates one there as well. So you have plenty of revision that you can be doing over the next couple of lessons. Videos, Cambridge Go, Education Perfects, and any of your enrichment work and your textbooks.